So today, we're diving into something super practical, how small business owners, like someone running a coffee shop, can reclaim their time using AI automation, specifically around social media. Sound familiar?
Oh, absolutely. Social media is like this never-ending espresso machine. It keeps demanding shots, new posts, replies, reels. It's exhausting and time-consuming. I wish I could just set it and forget it.
You're not alone. I've seen businesses spend upwards of 10 hours a week just managing content. That's 10 hours you could spend training baristas, improving the menu, or, sleeping.
10 hours sounds about right, especially when you factor in editing photos, thinking of captions, scheduling posts, replying to comments. It adds up, and hiring someone is pricey.
That's where automation comes in. Imagine having a system that takes your daily cafe picks, adds a branded filter, writes a caption based on daily specials or customer reviews, and schedules it all automatically.
Okay, that honestly sounds like magic. But are we talking big bucks? Most of the tools I've looked into cost like $50 a month and still need manual input.
Nope. I'm talking open source tools and no-code setups that cost close to zero after implementation. You can run this using a simple AI workflow that auto-generates 5 posts a week. That's about 40 posts a month. Time saved? At least 8 hours monthly.
8 hours is a full workday. And if I pay someone minimum wage for that, it's like $120 saved per month. Plus, I'm not stuck at 10 p.m. writing Instagram captions.
Exactly. And it gets better. You can train the AI with your brand tone, so it sounds like you, not a robot. You give it a library of past captions, some keywords, and let it roll. Want coffee puns? Done. Cozy vibe? Easy.
I'm sold on the idea. But how does it handle stuff like replies to comments or messages? I get DMs asking about store hours or if we have vegan options all the time.
You can set up an AI chatbot that handles 80% of those FAQs. It replies instantly 24/7. And for edge cases, it alerts you to jump in. Time saved, easily another 2 hours a week. That's 10 hours a month, around 150 in labor saved.
So we're talking $270 saved per month, give or take. And most of that is from not doing the same repetitive stuff over and over?
Pretty much. And you avoid those SaaS traps that charge you monthly for features you barely use. Once you've got the setup, it just runs. Low maintenance, high payoff.
It's kind of wild how much time we burn on things that could be automated. It's like making every latte by hand, but never thinking to get a machine.
Exactly that. And the best part, once automation is brewing smoothly, you can actually spend time on creative campaigns. Stuff that connects with your audience emotionally. Let AI handle the routine. You focus on what makes your brand special.
So if I start with post generation and scheduling, then add comment replies and DMs later, I can build it up over time?
Totally. Modular approach is smart. Get quick wins early, then expand. Within a few weeks, you'll feel the difference.
This honestly sounds like a shot of espresso for my business. Fast, efficient, and energizing.
Love that. So final thought for our listeners. If your social media feels like a grind, ask yourself, what if you could automate the grind and just serve the soul of your brand?